you take the battery pack off the bike, and the battery's about 6 pounds, and this takes about 2 to 4 hours to charge, depending on how dead it is. I didn't bring the charger, but the charger looks like a laptop charger. And you just plug it into any 110 outlet, and the batteries will last for at least 20 miles per charge. I got some customers get over 40 miles per charge. Essentially, how this works is there's a on and off button here on the handlebars. You get a screen that comes on, and this is a brand new kit, so it's still in kilometers. I'm a reseller and builder. But essentially what happens is once you get the bike on, you have 2 different ways of getting around. You can do what's called pedal assist. So it has a plus and minus button here on the handlebar. And in 0, there's no motor activity, right? But as soon as you get it into 1, you can use a throttle. Or you can do what's called a pedal assist. And what that means is once you start pedaling, the motor's gonna kick in.
Can you install this on foldable bikes?
You can install it on foldable bikes. This kit will...
Zoom in on a foldable bike, man. That'd be awesome.
The kit can fit on any standard bottom bracket. I kind of push and pull more towards mountain bikes and things with bigger tires. Just because the roads here are so, well, not good. Or you can buy a bike made to order. So you go to my site, order the bike, and you take about 2 weeks.
This model, like this frame with these tires and everything?
So 20 miles per charge is the guarantee for the battery pack.
No, I mean as far as speed goes.
It's gonna depend on the bike that you're putting it on. Like if you're putting on a bike with like really thin tires, kind of road slicks and stuff like that, you might even get 40.
Yeah, see, that's what
okay.
I'm yeah.
But my personal flavors, I like more motorcycle looking bikes. This is just my personal flavor.
Yeah.
I get customers who bring mountain bikes to me. I kind of shy away from thin tires just because I have some fixie bros and they always get flats no matter where we go. One always gets flat. And I said, I just think you need a good bike. You need good brakes. You know, you need good brakes, good tires. When I first moved here, like Bike World didn't even sell electric bikes. And that was in 2014. So things have come a long way. And I've been doing this as a hobby since 2012. So Bronko Bikes, you know. What we're trying to do is also organize a lit ride for the end of October. I made a Facebook event, and we're gonna reclaim Broadway for bikes. So we want everybody to come out and put some lights on their bikes that work on the lit ride. You gotta get your bike lit. And it's 18 and up. But what we're trying to do is we're gonna have 4 stops. And it's on the Facebooks, but well, to me, if I get 20 people out there with some lights on their bikes, some wheel lights and stuff like that, will be a success.